What's up, guys? Exhaust power. Gonna change the oil on the Prelude. I'm going with a thicker weight, 10W40, and also bought a battery because my battery basically took a crap. So I'm gonna go ahead, change the oil, put the battery in, and pull up on the ramps. Get that situated. I really wanted to get my head-mounted camera going, but I'll mess around with that at another time. So let's jump into it. A positive first. Move the positive terminal on. Per FSM factory service manual says put the positive on before the negative. Alright, hopefully she starts up. That other battery was just kept on dying on me, and eventually it just wouldn't take a charge. Alright. It's pretty good, strong turnover. I'm gonna back it up so I can set the ramps up. Alright, I got a 17 ratchet wrench that is stuck in the middle, so it's just basically a wrench right now. I got two different funnels here. I'll probably make use of the red one. Now I got some tissues here. Of course I got gloves because I don't like to get any oil on me. You know, I got the oil pan there, of course. This is an SH, so the oil filter is up top. Alright, oil filter is right there. Let's you gotta squeeze your hand just a little bit, but I have no issues. It takes me a second to get it. I already see some leak in there from just twisting it a little bit. probably the only good thing about doing an oil change on a Prelude. The SH is, the filter is a little bit easier. Fluid is just dark. You can't really see anything in it really. I mean, once I drain the actual oil into the pan, I'll be able to look at it. Shouldn't be anything really. It's not like I drive it a lot. So yeah, let's put the new filter on. Mobile one. Let me get some. Okay. Switch to my right hand to install it. Alright, she's on. That's pretty simple. The drain plug is right here. This is the sucky part about the SH is the ATTS is right here. So you can't get to this bolt without a wrench. You can't use a socket because it just won't clear. So I'm going to use a wrench to get that off. I just had no space to tap that wrench because of the pan was in the way. I should have moved the pan out of the way to break it loose properly. I love the fact that it says engine oil, if you can see that. So you can't make the mistake of changing the ATTS oil thinking it's the engine oil. It's clearly marked right there. So the oil looks really good. I can't see anything in it, so that's real good. About 4.5, so it should be a half quart left there. I'm gonna go ahead and dump the old oil into the old container. thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. And yeah, I think I'm gonna start working on the catch can, then possibly the brakes, then I'll be shooting for Cars and Coffee. And yeah, alright, peace. Man, it's nice have a place to dump your oil.